Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So as the new year unfolds, so does the opportunity to nurture a thriving vegetable garden. In today's video, we are diving into the heart of gardening with a guide on the best vegetable seeds to sow in January. So let's cultivate abundance together. Let's get started. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. So before we explore the specific seeds, let's talk about the magic of January gardening. January is a pivotal month offering a favorable climate for certain veggies to flourish. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting, this guide is your ticket to a bountiful harvest. Let's sow the seeds of a vibrant kitchen garden. First on our list is the nutrient packed spinach. Sow spinach seeds in January for a continuous harvest throughout the winter. This versatile green adds not just nutrition but also flavors to your meals. For a quick and crunchy delight, let's talk about the radish. Sow radish seeds in January for a speedy harvest. These root veggies add a delightful crispiness to salads and pickles. January is the ideal time to sow carrot seeds. With the cool temperatures, you can expect sweet and crisp carrots for your winter dishes. Embrace the winter flavors with mustard greens. Sow mustard seeds in January for vibrant, peppery leaves that are staple in many Indian dishes. Fenugreek is next on our list. Sow fenugreek seeds in January for aromatic leaves that add a distinctive flavor to your curries. Let's talk about the beloved peas. Sow pea seeds in January for sweet and tender pots. Homegrown peas elevate your culinary creations. Cauliflower deserves a spot in your winter garden. Sow cauliflower seeds in January for those iconic white heads that steal the show in various dishes. Beets bring both color and nutrition to your garden. Sow beet seeds in January for earthy, sweet roots that can be enjoyed in salads or even as a healthy snack. Cabbage is a versatile addition to your winter garden. Sow cabbage seeds in January for compact heads that can be used in everything from coleslaw to salads. Last but not least, let's talk about broccoli. Sow broccoli seeds in January for those nutrient packed green florets, a must have in your garden for a healthy dose of vitamins. Now, a quick tip for successful vegetable gardening: ensure your soil is well draining, protect your plants from frost if necessary, and consider using organic fertilizer for healthy, flavorable produce. And there you have it, a guide to the best vegetable seeds to sow in January for a kitchen garden that truly a feast for the senses. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Do write your comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.